Hi, friends, and welcome to another Cotton Cuts puzzle mystery quilt. This is Wild West Clue 3, and I'm doing the small size. This clue took me about 41 minutes to do, mainly just because flying geese take me a little bit longer than normal. Um, so take your time, pay attention to the directions. You are making two different sets of the sides, so just pay attention to that. I love these fabrics. This is a wonderful colorway. I'm really excited to see how this all comes out, and so I hope you enjoy it too. Let's go ahead and get straight into our inventory.
Okay, so I've laid everything out for the inventory, and we are making quite a few flying geese for this month. So let's go ahead and go through our block pieces. We're going to start with the small triangles. You should have 24 fabric B, 8 fabric C, and 8 fabric E. And then in your medium triangles, you should have 12 of fabric D. And then in your only set of rectangles, you should have 8 fabric E, which are the little ghosties. Um, so yeah, it looks like it's going to be just a lot of pressing and sewing and, flying geese always take me a little while, but it's 4 of the same block. So let's go ahead and get to the sewing machine. Okay, so for Wild West Clue 3, um, it looks like there's only about 6 steps. You're going to make some flying geese, and we're making 4 of the same block, so it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready, and I will start sewing. And this next part of the video is going to be sped up, so I do a lot of chain piecing. You won't be able to follow along, but then I will meet you at the end of the video for the reveal.
All right, friends, we are done. This block looks so good. I just love these fabrics, and I hope you do too. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. If you'd like to see more of this, please let me know. Let me know how it went for you if you're doing Wild West. Again, you don't have to have the same colorway as me. You just have to be doing the small size to be able to follow along with the inventory. And I hope it went well for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!